In one study, students read a fictitious job application. The applications are identical except that half have a female name, Joan, and half of a male name, John. The students rate the likelihood of the applicant succeeding at the job. What is the dependent variable? All right, so in a study we're going to have an independent variable and a dependent variable. And the idea here is that the independent variable either helps to predict or perhaps influences or affects the dependent variable, or maybe it simply just predicts. And it doesn't necessarily work the other way around. So the idea here is that we have applications are identical except that half of a female name and half of a male name. Well, this gives us our independent variable. Independent variable can often be recognized as being how your groups are divided up. If half of my sample is in one group, the female name, and the other half, and they don't even have to be halves, if some of my sample have the name Joan and some of my sample have the name John, then these different groups will represent the independent variable. It's how I'm breaking up my sample. And the idea is that, okay, so this would be gender as shown by their name. So that is my independent variable. The dependent variable is going to be what sort of a response we get or what sort of an outcome is affected or predicted. So that is the likelihood of the applicant succeeding at the job. And so I guess the answer here, this part A, the student's ratings of the applicant's success. Okay, so the answer is going to be A, the student's ratings of the applicant's success. Part B, or option B, the name on the job application, that is the independent group. Actually, B is really just an indicator of the gender, sorry. So C would be the independent variable as indicated by the name. And I guess B and D are just a copy of the same answer. Okay, so the answer here is A. The dependent variable, the one that is predicted or the one that is affected by gender, is the student's ratings of the applicant's success.